If you're looking to buy an iPad Air or an iPad Pro, you're likely going to buy one of these, an Apple Pencil. But now Apple sells two different versions of them, one with the USB-C connector and this, the Apple Pencil Pro. But there are a few features on the Pencil Pro that really make it worth it in my opinion, so let's get into those. First off, the haptic motor. This is the same type of motor that's used in iPhones to give that kind of clicking feedback when you press the keys on the keyboard or long press specific buttons. Now on the Pencil Pro, there's one that emulates the same clicking feedback, but through the pencil instead of on the device itself. For example, when swapping pencil tools, you'll get an added layer of feedback so you know when the switch has been made. This isn't a deal breaker, but it definitely adds to the writing experience and overall experience of using the iPad. Going along with that whole writing experience, this pencil also adds some extra ways to interface with your tools. If you double tap the flat side, you can hop between different tools such as a pen or eraser, and you can also customize it further in the settings to give it other functionality. New for this year is the ability to squeeze the lower third of the pencil to activate different modes. I personally use it to show the tool palette, which makes it a lot easier to swap between colors or pen thickness without having to go to the top of the page every time. But this can also be further customized in the settings, also with the ability to link it to any shortcut. And shortcuts, there are many. If there's a shortcut you frequently like to run, this feature alone could make the Pencil Pro worth it. If you're an artist, or at least more of an artist than me, you may also appreciate the addition of being able to rotate the barrel of the pencil and have the brush follow the same rotation placement. I can't personally find much use out of this yet, but that's because my drawing capabilities are limited to stick figures at the level of a second grader. Nonetheless though, if you're more artistically inclined, you'd be hard pressed not to have some sort of fun with this. Okay, but even if none of those other features really matter to you, there is lastly a couple of nice to haves with this pencil that anybody could get some sort of use out of. The first of those being wireless charging. The USB-C Apple Pencil, like its name implies, charges via a hidden USB-C connector. Although this isn't bad by any means, it's certainly less convenient than snapping the pencil to the side of the iPad and having it wirelessly keep its battery topped up at all times. It's one less thing to plug in, or in my case, forget to plug in when I really need it. On the topic of forgetting, this new pencil as well, like many Apple products lately, also comes with native Find My support. So if you ever lose this expensive pencil, it can be found and returned to its home back on the side of the iPad. These are the main additions that the Pencil Pro receives compared to the USB-C version. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to more tech content like this. If you have any video ideas or questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.